नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे आ जाएंगे. फ्रॉम हुज फ्यूचर अर्निंग्स आर लाइकली टू विथस्टैंड ऑन इकोनॉमिक डाउन टर्न. आंसर है डिफेंसिव कंपनी. अदर ऑप्शन है डेफर्ड कंपनी, इंडिपेंडेंट कंपनी, डिफ्यूज कंपनी. अब डिफेंसिव कंपनी होती क्या है? डिफेंसिव कंपनी इज़ अ कॉर्पोरेशन हुज सेल्स एंड अर्निंग्स remain relatively stable during both economic upturns and downturns. Defensive company tends to make products or services that are essential to consumer. These products are likely to be purchased whether the economy is becoming or in a recession, booming or in a recession. Defensive companies are found mostly in specific sectors and industries. Consumer demand does not decline as much during downturns. Consumer need electricity, water, heating and air conditioning whether the economy is in recession or not. Deferred company, it is an arrangement in which a portion of an employee's income is paid out at a later date after which the income was earned, that is pension, retirement plans and employee stock option. Independent company, it is a company which works independently by itself. Diffused company, diffusion is the process by which a new idea or new product is accepted by the market. The rate of diffusion is the speed with which the new idea open from one consumer to the next. Next question, a financial protection plan for executives in case they are severed from organization. Is answer is golden parachute. Downsizing, other option है halo error, halo effect. Downsizing क्या होता है? It is a strategy used to reduce the size and scope of a business and in order to improve the financial performance, usually by laying off employees or closing less profitable divisions. Halo effect, the tendency to judge a person based on a previous favorable or unfavorable impression. The halo effect is a cognitive bias in which an observer's overall impression of a person, company, brand or product influences the observer's feelings and thought about the entity's character or properties. Concept given by Edward Thorndike. Halo error, the halo effect describes an error in thinking in which you make specific inferences about a person, thing or process based upon a single trait or general impression. When one assumes that a good looking person in a photograph is also an overall good person. Next is golden parachute, a large payment or other financial compensation guarantee to a company executive if they should be dismissed as a result of a merger or takeover.